Installing an LED wall isn't just about mounting panels. There are dozens of small details that determine whether the final result looks great or terrible. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of our latest installation at the Chinese Cultural Center, where our team installed a 17 by 8 foot LED video wall to enhance their theater performances and events. This project was actually over 6 months in the making. We worked closely with the client to find the right screen size and configuration, one that fit their stage perfectly while staying within budget. Since the venue already had an event scheduled just 2 days after installation, timing was critical. To save valuable time on site, our team pre-assembled all of the LED cabinets in advance, allowing the installation to go much more efficiently. In just a day and a half, we completed the installation, testing, and commissioning of a 2.5mm pixel pitch epoxy-coated LED video wall that's built to deliver a sharp image and long-lasting performance for years to come. If you're wondering how much an LED video wall would cost for your venue, we'd be happy to help. Contact us today and we'll send you our pricing catalog with the most common LED screen solutions, along with personalized recommendations for your space.